Ever wondered how to keep your favorite herbs fresh and flavorful all year round? The key lies in effective preservation, which safeguards not just their vibrant tastes, but also their nutritional goodness. Well, today you're in for a treat as we unravel the secret to harvesting and preserving herbs. Harvesting herbs isn't as complicated as it might seem. Let's break it down step by step. The optimal moment for harvesting is in the morning, when the dew has dried but the sun hasn't yet zapped away the plant's essential oils. Moving on to the cutting process, it's vital to use sharp scissors or pruners to make clean cuts. This helps the plant recover faster, promoting future growth. Now, when choosing which leaves to harvest, always go for the vibrant ones. They're usually the most flavorful. Avoid leaves that are discolored or chewed up by insects. These might not offer the best taste or medicinal properties. And there you have it, freshly harvested herbs, ready for the next stage. Now on to the exciting part, preserving your harvest. Preserving herbs is an art that allows you to extend the life of your bounty. First, you've got drying. It's simple and cost-effective. Hang your herbs upside down in a dry, dark place until they're crumbly. The downside? You may lose some flavor. Next up, freezing. This process locks in the freshness, but the texture can change, making them best for cooking. Lastly, there's making herb-infused oils. It's a delightful way to preserve the flavor for months, perfect for adding a gourmet touch to your dishes. However, it requires more effort and materials. With these methods, you can enjoy your favorite herbs anytime, anywhere. So, there you have it, the art of harvesting and preserving herbs simplified. Remember, by doing this, you're not only saving money, but also ensuring a year-round supply of your favorite herbs. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!